Welcome to our programming channel. Today we are going to see where clause with logical operators. We will see these logical operators with where clause. So first operator AND returns true if all the conditions separated by AND are true. Suppose if there are two conditions separated by and if both the conditions are true, then we will get result. Otherwise, even one condition becomes false, then we cannot get result. Second, OR operator returns true if any of the conditions separated by OR are true. Suppose if we have two conditions separated by OR, if both the conditions are true, we will get result. And if one condition is false and one condition is true, then we will get result. So at least one condition must be true in case of OR operator for getting the result. In operator returns true if a value in the column or the expression is equal to any value in the list, equivalent to multiple OR operators. We can take any number of values in the list and we can check a value in the column, or we can check the expression or condition is equal to with those values in the list. We have seen in case of OR operator at least one condition must be true. So here also if one expression or one condition is true, then we will get the result. So it is equivalent to multiple OR operators. Between operator. With between operator we can get values within a range. Here we have to provide two values. One is minimum value and other is maximum value. Like operator. Like operator search if a character string matches a specified pattern. A pattern may include regular characters and wildcard characters like %, underscore. So here we can search any string, means any name from a column which matches according to specified pattern. Suppose the pattern may be S%. In this pattern, regular character is S and % is wildcard character. Not operator. Not operator displays a record if the condition is not true. So if we get result with any operator like equal to operator, like in operator, then with not operator we will get opposite result. Now we will see where clause with AND operator. Select star from fast food, where clause, then column company, and here is equal to Burger King and operator, column F food name is equal to burger. Now here in this record, company is Burger King and F food name is burger. This is also one record, but here F food name is equal to burger, but company is not equal to Burger King. So in first record this condition is false, but in fourth record these both conditions are true. So we will get this record. So after executing this query, we get this record. So in this way, we can use AND operator with where clause. And while using AND operator, both the conditions must be true. Now we will see where clause with OR operator. So we take same record here. Now in this case, any one condition must be true. So here we can see company Burger King. So condition is true in fourth record, and F food name is burger. So second condition, this condition is also true for fourth record and also for first record, even though company name is not Burger King, but a food name is burger. So we will get these two records. So here we must require OR operator, and if we execute this query, we get these two records. Now we will see where clause with between operator. Select star from fast food where column F food price, here operator between, and here we have to take range. So range will start from 38 here, and range will end at 118. So if we execute this query, we will get the records within the range of 38 and 118, and 38, then 55 and 118. These three records are within the range. So if we execute this query, we get these three records. So in this way, we can use between operator with where clause. Now we will see in operator with where clause. Select star from fast food where a food name is equal to fries. So here we cannot see a food name fries. So if we execute this query, we cannot get any result. But if we take here a food name burger, then we get these two records. Select star from fast food where a food name, and here operator in, and in brackets fries, comma burger. So here we can take both the names, or we can take any number of names. So here if we execute this query, we get these two records. Here a food name is equal to fries becomes false, but if food name is equal to burger, this condition becomes true. So here we get these two records. So even if one expression or one condition becomes true, we get the result. So this is the advantage of in operator, and in this way we can use in operator with where clause. Now we will see where clause with like operator. Select star from fast food where, now we are taking column company. Here operator like, and single quote like M%. Now we will get the records in which company starts from M. So here we have one record, McDonald's. So if we execute this, we get McDonald's. Now we want those records company in which last character is S or company name ends with S. We have company McDonald's and Domino's in which last character is S or which ends with S. So here if we execute this query, we get these two records. And now here we have taken E. We want that record or those records in which character E is present at any position, starting position, end position, or position in between. And we have only this record. Here we can see E. This E is not at starting position and not at end position. If we execute this, we get this record. And S, if we take S, now we get so these records also. Here we can see S at last position, or if we take here M, so here company starts with M. So because of this %M we get this record also. So in this way we can use like operator with where clause. Now we will see where clause with not operator. For not operator we are taking this query of in operator, and if we execute this query we are getting record number 1 and 4, these two records. And if we give here not operator, then we get other records in which we cannot see food name, burger or fries. So we get record 2 and 3, these two records. That's all for where clause with logical operators. In our channel, there are regular uploads of programming related videos. So for latest updates, please subscribe the channel and like and share videos. Thanks for watching.